If you are using Instagram in 2026 the same way you did in 2023, you are already behind. Instagram quietly added features that can literally save your time, increase reach and make better content. And most people are not using them. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 Instagram features you probably didn't know existed, and some of them are seriously underrated. First, hidden trending dashboard. Let's start with something most creators completely ignore. Go to your profile, tap on professional dashboard, and then tap on inspiration. This is the most underused feature. Instagram literally shows you trending reels, trending audios and similar accounts of your niche. Now here's the trick. If an audio has fewer than 10,000 uses, that's an early trend. That's where you should jump in. Moving on to the next one. Reply to comments with a reel. If you are still typing long replies to comments, you are wasting content. Let me give you a trick. Open your reel and go to comments. Now tap on reply, then tap on the camera icon. Instead of typing, record a video reply. This does two things. One, it answers your audience, and second, it gives you extra reel or content without any extra effort. Third is saved replies in DMs. Now let's talk about DMs. If people ask you the same question every single day, stop typing it again and again. Just open any DM, tap the message box, tap on saved replies and create a shortcut. Now you just need to type that shortcut. This is a massive time saver if you are a creator or business. Fourth, change reel cover after posting. Even posted a reel and Instagram messed up your cover image. So you can fix it very easily. Just open your reel, tap the 3 dots, tap edit and then tap cover. You can now choose a new frame or upload a custom cover from your gallery. If you care about your grid, you should be using this regularly. Fifth one is add clickable links in your reels. Yeah, you heard it right. This is something every creator should be using. Instagram's edit app now allows you to add internal clickable links inside your reels. Now let's do it. First, open the edits app, start a project, then tap links, choose a reel or profile you want to link. Now when someone taps on it, they jump right to that content. Perfect for series, perfect for reactions or giving proper credit. This makes your content more interactive. You don't need to use 50 hacks. Start with these 5 and use them properly. If you are serious about your Instagram in 2026, don't ignore these features. That's all for today's video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.